Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change grab locations. So changing your grab locations depends on what you want to modify, whether you want to modify your pickup location, drop off locations, or the address associated with your grab account. So through this video, I'm going to show you a guide for each scenario. First, if you want to change your pickup locations, you can just launch the Grab app on your phone, and then here you can just tap on the service that you want. For example, I'm going to go with bike. Now you can just tap on this where to field and enter your drop-off locations. For example, I'm going to just go with this one. Okay, if you want to change the pickup location, the app automatically sets your current locations as the pickup point. So to change it, you can just tap on the pickup at field at the top of the map and then drag the pin you desired pickup location or enter the address manually. Or you can also choose this one. Okay, you can tap on continue after that. So once you set the current pickup, you can just confirm to proceed with the booking. If you want to change the drop-off location during a ride, you can just open the ongoing trip and then you can click on the drop-off location and choose to change destinations. And after that, you can just enter the new drop-off location and confirm the change. But you need to know that the fare adjustment may apply. And if you want to change location in other services such as GrabFood or GrabMart, you can just go back and choose the services that you want. For example, GrabFood in here. Now you can just tap on this deliver to options and choose the new address that you want. So after you selecting the new location, you can just confirm it and now it's ready to order. And lastly, if you want to change country or region in Grab account, so if you are in different country or region, you may need to update your Grab app setting first. So you need to log out of your current account and reinstall the Grab app. And after that, you can just log back in and the app should prompt you to select the country or region and choose the correct one. After that, if necessary, you need to update your payment method to match the new region. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.